Racing just is started. Lucky Julian break quickly to start. Golden Hands is Arias at purpose driven in billion horses. Ashley Skip Lemonada rushing up. Tapat na po. Take advantage. Jade's Console comes next. Arts Angel Racing second last, while Doña Susan is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, River Lucky Julian leads by a length and a half. Purpose driven in second, tapat na po. Moving a party outside Lemonada. Take advantage. She's running by the rail. Golden Hands comes next. Jade's Console. Arts Angel alongside comes Ashley Skip, while Doña Susan is still racing in less. Another fourth turn, Lucky Jillian enjoying a 3 lengths lead, and in second is Lemonada. Jade's Console is running by the rail. Ashley Skip now moving up to take fourth, purpose driven down on the inside, tapat na po. Golden Hands comes next, and Diana entering the home stretch with Jade's Console. Lemonada is on the outside. Lucky Jillian in between horses with about 100 meters of the race. We have Lemonada by about 2 lengths entering the finish line. M&M Gonzalez on Lemonada. Jade's Console, then comes Lucky Julian there.
Alright, number 7, Lemonada crossing the wire first, ridden by M&M Mark Gonzalez. Masisigunde 8, Jade's Console, then 3, Lucky Julian, then papasok yung 8A si Ashley Skip. Panoorin natin replay pagkakapanalo nitong si Lemonada.
Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Kabi Alice. Ginhawang mag Sis Alice.